what is it about Etsy that guarantees you sales if you follow your methods correctly with just a few $100s and compared to Shopify where you spend thousands but make nothing? So Shopify dropshipping, don't get me wrong, it still works. Obviously, it still works, right? People still do it. I have loads of friends that still do it. I just do a little bit of it as well, like here and there, not a crazy amount, but I do a little bit of it here and there. But why Etsy's so good, very, very simply, is just when you're doing Shopify dropshipping, you're competing against 20-year-old. I'm going to keep it super simple. A little bit sexist, but super simple, right? Doing Shopify dropshipping, you're competing against hungry 20-year-olds. Yeah? Hungry 20-year-olds. That's the people that are doing Shopify dropshipping. It's not old people, right? It just is. It's just hungry 20-year-olds because it's a little bit complicated to get started, right? You've got to figure out the website. You've got to figure out all this stuff. Whereas Etsy dropshipping, you are competing against 60-year-old women that sell on the platform. The average age of an Etsy seller is 39. It's like 80% of them are females. Like, they're just not very hungry. Just in general, a generalization is just they're not very hungry. So if you're hungrier, a little bit more tech savvy, you can run it up. Just the way it works. It's just pure competition, right? You either want to be first to a business model or you want to be best at the business model. We can be best and we're pretty early as well. So, super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.